Did you know that data analysis is one of the most in-demand jobs today? If you're thinking about entering this field, you're in the right place. In this video from Glimpse Pro, I'll guide you through 5 essential steps to becoming a professional data analyst. Step 1. Understand the basics of data analysis. Diving in, you need to understand what data analysis is and why it matters. Simply put, data analysis is the process of extracting valuable insights from data to help companies make better decisions. Think of it as being a data detective. Every number or piece of information tells a story, and your role is to uncover the hidden meaning behind the data. Step 2. Learn the essential tools. To become a data analyst, you need to master some key tools, such as Excel for quick data analysis, SQL to extract data from databases, Python or R for advanced analytics, Tableau or Power BI to create insightful reports and visualizations. Learn these tools step by step, and you'll see how data analysis becomes easier and more exciting. Step 3. Master statistics and critical thinking. Data alone is not enough. You need to understand statistics to interpret it correctly. Concepts like mean, standard deviation, and correlation are essential to understanding relationships within data. Additionally, critical thinking skills will help you ask the right questions, such as, is this data reliable, and how can I use this to make smarter decisions? Step 4. Work on real-world projects. The best way to learn is through hands-on practice. Try analyzing datasets from open sources like Google Dataset, search, and start creating real reports and insights. For example, you can analyze sales data for an online store or study internet search trends. The key is to showcase your skills through real projects that you can share with others. Step 5. Build your portfolio and network. Once you've gained the necessary skills, it's time to market yourself. Create a strong LinkedIn profile. Share your projects on GitHub or Kaggle. Join data analysis communities to connect with professionals. Networking opens doors to new opportunities, so don't hesitate to engage with others and showcase your skills with confidence. Video summary. To become a data analyst, follow these steps. 1. Learn the basics. 2. Master essential tools. 3. Understand statistics and critical thinking. 4. Apply your skills in real-world projects. 5. Market yourself and grow your professional network. Now it's your turn. Which of these steps do you think is the most challenging? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Glimpse Pro for more valuable content. See you in the next video.